Alright guys, if you stayed with me this whole time, you will see my new hair. So I took out my old extensions, the rainbow extensions, and then I got my hair actually treated. I did color and I did a Brazilian treatment, and then we put the beads in and we sewed in my new hair.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
So this is 22-inch hair. This is number 2 by 𝗧𝗢𝗦𝗦. And if you go to the, the words below, the link for 𝗧𝗢𝗦𝗦 extensions is there. Use promo code LEDA, L-E-D-A, and you'll get a discount. You guys, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and I love you guys. Like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe.